I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying permissions because a blocked camera is the most common cause. Open your browser's site settings, allow camera for Meet, Google, Com, and select the correct device. Once done, close apps that might lock the camera, video tools and background processes, and restart your browser so device drivers and permissions refresh. If you use an external webcam, make sure it's plugged into a different USB port and powered on. This immediately rules out simple access conflicts and gets you ready for the next steps. Now focus on selecting and verifying the camera so you know the right device is in use. In Google Meet, click Settings, go to Video, and pick the listed camera. Watch the preview to confirm output. If the preview is black or frozen, toggle HD or hardware acceleration and test again. If issues persist, update or reinstall the webcam driver in Device Manager or System Preferences. Then restart the computer to apply driver changes and clear driver-level glitches before rejoining your meeting. Finish by eliminating environment and software conflicts so your camera works reliably. Disable suspicious browser extensions or open Meet in incognito to remove extension interference. Alternatively, switch browsers or join from a phone to see if the problem is browser-specific. Make sure your operating system's camera privacy settings permit browser access, and reboot after any changes so settings take effect. If the camera still fails, test with another webcam to determine whether the issue is hardware-related and replace or repair the device as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.